are walking. And you're shaking your head because you pretend you're a wild pony, even though you're totally not. She just wishes she was that mare in the herd that every guy wanted.
She is. She wants a baby.
Those construction workers back there sure did whistle at her. She's like one of those preppy people at school who like flicks their hair when they see a cute guy. Except for there's no cute guy, Lacey. What are you doing? Unless you want a bird. I guess if that's your style. There's a house.
Quit. It's enough.
The pretty house.
She says, all my buddies got to go out in the pasture. And I didn't get to go out.
That's the first time she's been alone for a long time.
Yeah. First time taking her out alone. Actually, out alone driving.
Ever?
She was
sisters too. And then we went to
Josh went with me.
the show. And I was
then
like,
my cartwheel was.
How old is she now?
She's 7.
So when she was 2, that was like 5 years ago?
Yeah, it's like 4.5 years ago, and she's out alone.
I was 11.
Jessica was 15. She drove her to the.
No way. Jessica 15.
Yeah.
She's like 20.
Yeah, exactly. No.
I'm
Just walk.
16.
Just walk.
I can date people. But you're out of luck. You're too old for me. Sorry. Jailbait.
Good girl. Okay, now it's time to lean in. Put your head down and pull us up this monster hill.
I feel like I'm on track, but I'm not the one pushing.
Yeah.
Why do I get your tail in your butt all the time?
She says, yep, I can lean into it. I can lean into it.
You are such a beast.
Yep, look at her go.
You're like a wrestler.
Motor up this hill.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm stronger than you. I can take you. Any day.
Good
anytime.
Girl. You're such a good girl, Lacey. You like driving so much. You're an
She's so
awesome
good.
driving pony.
She's so
Well,
good.
horse. She's definitely not a pony size.
That's too big. Look at those feetsies. You're gonna grow up to be the kingdom princess.
If I kept her, she'd become